Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to give you an update on the portfolio. I know it's been a long time since we've done that because we did do this series on how to read financial statements, but we will update the portfolio today, show you what position we updated, also update the dividend tracker, and then show you the spreadsheet on how the portfolio is performing this year. And so we will go ahead and get right into it. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. And so we'll log in here. And the portfolio today closed out at $4,948.78, up $7.56 on the day, up 0.15%. For the week, we are up $58.39, up 1.19%. Excuse me. And for the month, we are up $190.55, up 4%. For 3 months, we are up $452.50, up 10.06%. For the 1 year, we are up $803.78, up 19.39%. And the same for all. So we'll go through the positions here and then give you a snapshot of the position itself. So this is the first position, which is Bell Canada, ticker symbol BCE, closing out at $59.71. Here's the snapshot of the position if you want to take a look. Have a great return on that one. Again, that is Bell Canada, ticker symbol BCE. Next position here we have is Bank of Montreal, ticker symbol BMO, closing out at $123.92, up 78 cents on the day. Here's the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Bank of Montreal, ticker symbol BMO. Next position we have here is Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker symbol BNS, closing out at $79.03. Snapshot of the position here. Go back up. And again, that is Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker symbol BNS. Next position we have here is Loblaws, ticker symbol L, closing out at $74.17. Here's the snapshot of the position there. And again, that is Loblaws, ticker symbol L. Next position we have here is Manulife Financial Corporation, ticker symbol MFC, closing out at $24.82. Here's the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Manulife Financial Corporation, ticker symbol MFC. Next position we have, we're going to skip through Qualcomm for now. Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY, closing out at $123.47. Here is the snapshot of the position. And again, that is Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY. Next position we have here is TELUS Corporation, ticker symbol T, closing out at $26.76 for the week. Snapshot of the position. We are finally positive in this position. There was a time that we were negative in total return, but now it is in the right trajectory. In the right direction. It's going in the right direction. Next position we have here is Toronto Dominion Bank, ticker symbol TD, closing out at $88.11. Here's the snapshot of the position there. Again, that is Toronto Dominion Bank, ticker symbol TD. And last but not least is the position of the month, which is Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM, closing out at $131.46 USD. Here's the position here. We now have 2 shares. We don't have 1 anymore. Total value of $262.92 USD. Average price of $134.56 USD. And it holds about 6.62% of the portfolio, down 0.5% and down 2.3% overall. We'll go ahead and head into the purchase receipt. So this morning we bought 1 share at $131.59 USD, exchange rate of 1.2213. Total Canadian cost was $160.71. So this morning when I purchased it, just to give you an idea of how the purchase of US stocks works, I'll put a screenshot up here. The price, well, the exchange rate was $159.59. Then they added 1.5%, which gave a fee of $2.41, which is actually lower than Quest trade fees because minimally it's $4.95 per trade, regardless of how many you buy. Even though it says 1 cent per share, the minimum is still $4.95. And so it is still more cost effective to buy US shares on Wealthsimple. And so that is the position. So that is Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM. And again, that is the position of the month that we will continue to increase for the month of May 2021. And again, we'll just head back up to the portfolio here. So we will head over to trackyourdividends.com. I know they did a facelift on there, but we'll go ahead and update that. And I'll show you how I update the US stocks on here, because there is something I think everyone should know when it comes to Track Your Dividends. All right, so this is the trackyourdividends.com site. As you can see, it looks different than what it was previously. So they did do a little update, kind of like a facelift, I guess. And so here is the position itself, $4,718 Canadian. We're up $766. There is a mistake in here, I noticed. So the yield and the yield on cost will be off. The annual income is definitely off, and they definitely added a portfolio beta, which I'm not going to talk about. So the one that is incorrect is Bank of Montreal, ticker symbol BMO. Currently, it states that the dividend yield is 10.26%, which is not correct. And then yield on cost is 13.94%, which is also not correct. And annual income, not correct. So anyways, besides that, if you were to build this portfolio today, your yield would roughly be around there and yield on cost around there. So how do I add a US stock into this new site? So what you can do is on the dashboard default portfolio, you can head over to this little pen button. I'm gonna change it to USD because that is how we purchased it. One thing I want everyone to realize is that Track Your Dividends actually tracks, it seems like it tracks the exchange rate as it is right now. And so you will see a change in price over time as the exchange rate also changes. And so going to Qualcomm, you can see here one position, one share. The current closing price was $131.46, down $1.18. It says I bought it for $137.53 USD, which is correct, and I'm down $6.07 since purchasing this position. Okay, so I will update it when I changed it to USD currency to make sure it's kind of as accurate as possible, because it does track that, which is great. Wealthsimple Trade, I guess, doesn't do that because it's already exchanged into US, and this takes into factor, well, this site takes into factor the exchange rate when you switch it from Canadian to US. Okay, so we'll head up here and add holding. Ticker symbol is QCOM, Qualcomm. We bought one share. Cost per share that we bought it at was $131.59. So a bit higher than what it closed at, but that's okay. And we'll go ahead and add the holding. So now that is updated, the portfolio, if it was to be exchanged in the US, would be $4,042, down $42. Don't know how correct that is, but it probably is based on the exchange rate, because we are not dollar for dollar, which is fine. So now you can see Qualcomm is now at 2 shares, $131.46 is what it closed at, down $1.18. Our average price of getting in is $134.56, which I do believe is correct. Yes, on Wealthsimple, it is correct on there, down $6.20. Dividend yield today is 2.07. Our yield on cost is 2.02. Annual dividend of $5.44 now. So I'll go ahead and head back to the Canadian currency and we'll update that. And boom, portfolio now is closed at $4,877 for the week. We're up $793 in profits, in gains. Dividend yield is around 5%. Again, I think that is off due to the yield and dividend, the yields on Bank of Montreal. Yield on cost is about 5.97%. Annual income is definitely incorrect. We have not hit the 200 mark, pretty sure. And yeah, so if you want to take a look at the position, here it is. As a whole, the whole portfolio, as you know, most of it is in the finance sector, but we are trying to build up the other sectors as well. And so that is trackyourdividends.com. Heading back over here. So we can close this. We will leave it on the portfolio here. So great week. I know last week, there was quite a slaughter in the marketplace. and fairly new to everyone. It was a rocky week, but that's okay. If you are someone who is dividend investing, this is something you can just let it ride out, do its thing, and everything came back as you saw. It's just emotional. The market is emotional right now, and which is fine. And yeah, so we'll go ahead and go to the spreadsheet before we end the video. So I'll pop it up right on the screen. Boom. And as you can see, no dividends for the month of May yet for 2011. Total dividends we've received for the month of May, or for the year of 2021, is $48.93. Year-over-year growth from dividends using $17.37 for the baseline. We're up 182%. Net deposits of $2,275. The total invested is $4,145. And the market value is $4,948.78. And our performance for the year is 6.55%. And so that we are doing just fine. The market, I think the S&P right now is at a 7.5% increase since the beginning of the year. And so we are just lagging a bit behind, but that is okay. And so that is the video, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy, and hopefully you had a great week, and hopefully you have a great long weekend for Victoria Day on Monday. And hope you guys did enjoy the video. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye.